Hi, I'm Bob Sorsel. I'm going to take you on a walk from First Hill to Beacon Hill to watch the sunset. Enjoy! This route will take us south from First Hill to Yesler Terrace, Little Saigon, across the José Rizal Bridge, and to Beacon Hill. It's about 1.9 miles or 3 kilometers long. We start at First Hill Park. Next to First Hill Park is the Stimson Green Mansion, built in 1899 to 1901, and home to Joshua Green, a leader in the Puget Sound mosquito fleet who lived at the house with his wife Laura to the age of 105 years old. Catter corner from the mansion is the Dearborn House, built in 1904 to 1907. Madison Street was busy and under construction for the Rapid Ride G bus project. I stopped for a moment to admire the Sorrento Hotel. Built in 1909 and completed just in time for the Alaska-Yukon Pacific Exposition. Heading to St. James Cathedral, built for the Catholic Church in 1907, I gazed up at its towers. The German house has history as the former Prosch Hall, built in 1886, that was used as Seattle's assay office for gold coming in during the Yukon Gold Rush. On the west side of Harborview Medical Center is scenic Harborview Park. The Epstein Opportunity Center sits in the historic Yesler Steam Plant. At the south edge of Yesler Terrace is this long set of stairs and ramps leading down into Little Saigon. José Rizal Bridge provides views of the Seattle skyline, Soto, Puget Sound, and the Olympic Mountains. From the bridge, you can see light rail tracks being installed for the East Link extension to Bellevue and Redmond. On the south end of the bridge, you can see the beautiful Art Deco Pacific Medical Center at the north end of Beacon Hill. The last part of the walk is an uphill climb into Dr. José Rizal Park, named for the national hero of the Philippines. Now at the viewpoint, let's enjoy the sunset from Beacon Hill. Thank you for joining me on this walk from First Hill to Beacon Hill. See you next time.